Kamusta sa inyo mga otaku weebs and normies? Kids here. Kinilik mo ang video na to, either curious ka or isa kang One Piece fan. But before that, just to clarify, this is just only my personal opinion. So let's settle this once and for all. Even me as a hardcore One Piece fan, nahihirapan din maghanap ng real life Nami. Kilala si Nami na navigator ng Straw Hat Pirates. At kilala rin siya sa medyo mukhang pera niyang ugali. Currently, meron siyang bounty na 66 million belly. Ngayon, bilang isang One Piece fan, minsan ini-imagine ko rin, what if ma-meet mo in personal ang isa sa mga Straw Hat Pirates, particularly na nga si Nami. Which is sad to say, hindi yun mangyayari. Kasi nga, isa lang naman siyang character sa isang anime and manga series. By the way, may nagawa na akong video nito before about kay Tashigi and Boa Hancock. Link on the description below. Ngayon, kung sino mang production studio ang magpo-produce o gagawa ng live action series ng One Piece at medyo nahihirapan maghanap ng celebrity or talents na pwedeng kumanap sa role ni Nami. Well, as a hardcore One Piece fan, I'm going to help and tell you who will be the perfect actress to play the role as Nami. Her name is Annabella Avery Thorne, also known as Bella Thorne. I know some of you ay nakita na siya sa mga ilang Hollywood films. For me, siya na ang pinaka-closest na almost look alike ni Nami. Well, not just because of her natural red hair color. Aside from that, I know mapaperfect niya ang, how do I say this? Mapoportray niya ang characteristics ni Nami. Si Bella Thorne kasi, ever since, may background na siya sa acting. Dati siyang child star. So, easy-peasy nilang sa kanya ang pag-arte at i-portray si Nami. As a One Piece fan, I'll nominate Bella Thorne to be part of a cast member for One Piece live action series. Again, this is just only my opinion. Do you agree with me? And that is for this video. Hope you guys enjoy watching it, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Ikuzo.